Whenever you accomplish something, it's rewarding to be able to check it off. There's never just one thing to do though, and these checkboxes usually come in a list. One option is to take the checkbox widget, compose it together with some other widgets, and pop it into a list. Suddenly this starts to feel familiar, almost like it's a tile within a list. This is a perfect place for the CheckboxListTile widget. CheckboxListTile combines two widgets, checkbox and listtile. But instead of simply making the leading or trailing widget a checkbox, it also makes it so that tapping anywhere in the list tile toggles the checkbox. The constructor for CheckboxListTile looks suspiciously like a combination of checkbox and listtile. You provided a title for the text of the tile, and you use secondary to set what the widget on the other side of the tile should be. In a list tile, this might be the leading or trailing parameters, but in a checkbox list tile, one of those will always be a checkbox. You can control which side these appear on by using the control affinity property. Passing in listtile control affinity.leading, trailing, or platform will put the checkbox either in front, at the end, or whatever the platform normal is. CheckboxListTile doesn't maintain any state itself, and so you'll often find it within another stateful widget. That way, whether or not the box is checked can be maintained as a bit of state with the value property and modified with CheckboxListTile's onChanged callback. Finally, if you don't like the default colors provided by your app's theme, you can override them with active color and check color. And there you have it, your very own list tile with a checkbox. For more info on CheckboxListTile and all the other widgets, head to flutter.dev.